Hello everyone, welcome back to Study with Devanand. Student, just we completed first part of geography, it means human geography, and thereafter we are going to start second part of geography, it means India, people and economy. That is the second part of geography in क्लास 12th में ये ज्योग्राफी की सेकेंड बुक होती है इंडिया पीपल एंड इकोनॉमी. सो सम ऑफ द चैप्टर्स हैव बीन रिमूव्ड बाय CBSE दैट वी हैव नॉट टू स्टडी, ये हमें नहीं पढ़ने हैं, बट चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट इट इज़ कंपल्सरी चैप्टर एंड वी हैव टू स्टडी. सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट चैप्टर दैट इज द पॉपुलेशन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, डेंसिटी, ग्रोथ एंड कंपोजिशन. इट मीन्स also we studied these data, either the composition, age structure, occupational structure, density, population, growth rate, growth distribution, all these things we studied in first part, it means human geography, but we studied in the reference of world. But here we will study distribution, density, growth and composition only in the reference of our country India. हम अपने देश के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, वर्ल्ड के बारे में नहीं पढ़ेंगे. Student, distribution, density, growth and composition, all these are the components of population. Population's components depends on the relief feature, it means landscape area, climatic conditions and resources are available in that region. उस रीजन में कैसे रिसोर्सेस हैं, क्या क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस हैं, क्या रिलीफ फीचर है, अकॉर्डिंग टू विच these are the components and these are the things, either the distribution of population and density of population, growth rate of population and composition of population is found in that country or region, right? So just I want to introduce you, according to the census of 2011 में हमारी कंट्रीज की पॉपुलेशन it was 1210 million. It means 1210 million. 1210 मिलियन थी. If we count in crore, that is 121 crores. In 2011 में हमारे देश की पॉपुलेशन 121 करोड़ थी. But now it is in the current status of population in our country, that is 2020. It means 2020, 1369 million. It is almost 137 crores. So the current population of India, that is 137 crores nowadays. आज हमारे देश की पॉपुलेशन 137 करोड़ है. So what is the difference between the population of 2011, that is the 121 crores, and population of 2020, that is the 137 crores? It means almost 15 and 16 crores. So almost the 9 or 10 years gap. The growth of natural growth of population of India, that is 15 or 16 crore. Still we didn't complete the new next year, that is 2021. It would be the time of next census. अगली जनगणना कब होगी? 2021 में होगी. बट बिफोर 1 year, इसके एक साल पहले ही हमारी पॉपुलेशन का नेचुरल ग्रोथ क्या है? दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट 15 और 16 करोड़. 1 decade इज इक्वल टू 15 करोड़. इट मीन्स हम 10 वर्ष में, at the gap of 10 years, the increasement of population in our country, that is minimum 15 करोड़. हमारे देश की पॉपुलेशन एक डेकेड में, एक दशक में कम से कम 15 करोड़ बढ़ रही है. So question is that how to control it, because of the resources are not much available in our country in the comparison of population. पॉपुलेशन की तुलना में हमारी कंट्री में इतने रिसोर्सेस नहीं हैं. So what we have to do regarding this to control the population, to increase the economic rate or the economy of the nation? So many things we have to think about it to control the population. Census, first time census was held in our country 1872. सबसे पहली बार हमारे देश में जो जनगणना हुई थी वो 1872 में हुई थी. It means 1872 it was not complete census because of we didn't collect complete data regarding the human growth, human development. ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट के लिए हमने सारे डाटा कलेक्ट नहीं किए थे. But once again, it was a requirement. Once again, the census was held in 1881. That is complete census. It was the complete census was held in 1881. 1881 में दोबारा से जनगणना कराएगी. Official census in 1881 by collecting all the data for human development. So I want to ask you, what is the meaning of census? Define census. What is the definition of census? So census is the official survey regarding the population. Census is the counting or the number of persons, especially for the population. It means official count, especially for population. When we count the persons, number of persons are living in our country officially, that is the survey. Also it's non survey, इसको हम survey भी कहते हैं. That is non census, जिसको जनगणना कहते हैं. So thereafter we will study first component, that is the distribution. Distribution. You know, in our country, the distribution population is uneven. Uneven distribution of population in our country. What is the reason for uneven? ये हमारे देश में uneven population का distribution क्यों है? What are the reasons? So reason behind it, these are the important influencing factors like relief features, that is the landscape area, climatic conditions, and the soil fertility and development of economic sector, that is the industrial units or manufacturing industries, along with very important factor, that is the transport network. These are the important factor by which we can influence, we can observe that the distribution of population in our country. So all the regions, all the states of India having a population size either small or a very big size of population according to these factor. इन्हीं फैक्टर के अकॉर्डिंग हमारे यहाँ पर पॉपुलेशन का साइज कम और ज़्यादा मिलता है. You know, either the Indian territories or other states of India. Especially we will observe the states in North India. Some of the states in North India, you know very well, either we talk about the Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal. These are the 4 states of India very important regarding the population concentration of India. Population concentration की बात करते हैं. So largest populous state of India, that is Uttar Pradesh. Largest in population, that is UP. First rank. सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन वाला स्टेट उत्तर प्रदेश है हमारे कंट्री. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया, सो along with other states in the North India like North and West India, that is the Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal. So first, that is the Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Bengal. These are the important states having a lot of population or largest population size in these 4 states of India. So what is the reason they have largest population size? Infrastructure development, transportation system, soil fertility, climatic conditions, and landscape area. You know, in our country India, that is the flat plain area. In North India, flat plain area. Flat plain, also it is very fertile. When we talk about the plain area, that is the relief feature. It is very plain and fertile soil are found. We can grow any kind of crops here. Second is transport system. Transport is very good in the plain area because of we can construct the roadways, highways and other metal roads in the northern India because of the plain area. वी कैन मेक इट इजीली, बहुत आसानी से हम इसको बना सकते हैं। कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क इज वेरी इजियर इन द नॉर्थ प्लेन ऑफ इंडिया, दैट्स वाई most of the populations concentration are found in this region, in that region, that is the Bihar, Bengal, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, right? Next, that is the fertile soil. Also I told about it, climate. So climate is also important factor in that region. Northern plain of India, including the western states, Maharashtra, flat plain area is found here, and along with the infrastructure development or the economic zone, that is the industrial development, is found here. That's why most of the population are concentrated in that region. Okay, so these are the 4 states having a lot of population. If we add some of the other north and west Indian states like Rajasthan and South India, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and western Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and central India, these are the states, almost 11 states of India having a 76% population. Number of states 11, population 76%. You know, only 11 states of India have 76% population, and rest of the states are the UT, Union Territories, or the states only 24% population. It means if we talk about the concentration of population and density of population in North India and North West India, North India में and North West India में बहुत ज़्यादा population पाई जाती है. So rest of the states like we take an example of Arunachal Pradesh. What is the region most least populated state of India? That is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. What is the region? Smallest populated रीजन और स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया, सबसे कम पॉपुलेशन पाई जाती है. द डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इज वेरी लो बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट द रीजन. नंबर फर्स्ट, माउंटेन. माउंटेन्स आर अवेलेबल इन दैट रीजन, स्टेट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश. देयर इज नो फर्टाइल सॉइल, यहाँ पर कोई फर्टाइल सॉइल नहीं है. इट मीन्स climatic conditions are not favorable. Climate not favorable. Climate भी यहाँ पर favorable नहीं है. Due to mountain, there is no good transport network. यहाँ पर माउंटेन होने के कारण ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम भी, रोडवेज, हाईवेज, ये ट्रांसपोर्ट भी अच्छा नहीं है. So these are the region to least populated area of India, that is Arunachal Pradesh. So this is called uneven distribution of population in our country India. ये हमारे देश का least और uneven population कहा जाता है, uneven distribution of population कहा जाता है. Okay student, in next video we will study density of population. Okay.